Hey guys, it's Lengi. I'm back again with another video. So today I'm excited to share with you my green tea face mask recipe. I haven't been filming skincare videos for a long time now because I've been busy filming other content, which is internship programs, learnership programs, job opportunities available, or bursary funds, whatever. Please check those videos out if you are interested. But today I'm going to show you how to make your own green tea face mask for an acne free face and a glowing face, just like Bites. Okay, so let me read you the benefits of green tea and why I have used green tea. So I'm going to read this down because I wrote it down. So the benefits of green tea on your skin: it helps in maintaining the skin health. So it has vitamin E and vitamin B2. So vitamin E helps in developing the new skin cell growth, which makes the skin softer and glowing. And vitamin B2 helps the skin look youthful and firm. So green tea is also powerful in treating acne and unclogging your pores. It also has a moisturizing effect on your skin and may reverse sun damage on your skin. So the benefits of drinking green tea is the tea may help improve your skin elasticity. Another benefit of drinking green tea is it helps with weight loss. So if I want to lose a bit of fat, I drink green tea to get that flat stomach. Okay, now that I've shared the benefits of using green tea or drinking green tea, I'm going to show you how to make your own green tea face mask for skin. And it's going to be a messy process, but don't worry because the results are amazing. So I'm going to use 1 tea bag of the green tea. You can use any type of green tea you have, and I'm going to pour boiling water and leave it for about 30 minutes and let it simmer. Then the ingredients that I'm going to use is the olive oil and the bentonite clay to make my face mask. So my green tea has simmered, so I'm going to take out the tea bag out, and I'm going to add my 2 other ingredients to make this face mask. Okay, you can use the face. So I'm going to put the bentonite clay mask, and I'm going to use my fork. I feel like I can mix the mask much better with the plastic fork. Don't use metal, use plastic, because the products are not going to work if you're going to use the metal or any type of metal. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of olive oil and mix that together to form the paste. And I've told you guys that this is going to be a messy process. Look at my hands, they're so messy, but yeah. So I'm going to put the tea bags inside. I'm going to open up the tea bag, and yeah, the process is so messy, but don't worry, we're getting there. My mask is ready for me to use, so I'm going to show you guys how to apply the mask. Use your hands or a brush. I prefer to use my hands because it's much more easier. And you can apply the mask. You can use the mask for maybe 3 times a week. It's up to you. I prefer to use the mask like maybe 4 times a week. And you can leave it on for about 15 to 30 minutes. I prefer to stay longer for the results. Now I've washed my face, I'm all fresh. The mask actually leaves my face very fresh, and soft. So I'm going to use, before I apply the oil on my face, I'm going to use the skin tone, the toner, the marula toner. After using the toner, I'm going to apply the hemp seed oil that I was gifted by Essentially Natural. This oil, it doesn't have a nice smell, but the benefits of this oil is amazing. It leaves your skin very soft and glowing, and also it helps with skin aging, to not age for your skin to not age very quickly. So if you like this video, please don't be afraid to leave a like or a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.